Okay, so now we are going to work on division using base 10 blocks. So, we can start very, very, very basically with something like 10 divided by 5. Well, 10 divided by 5 means I've got 10, which is a 10, and I need to split that into 5 equal groups. Well, I can't, break this apart as is, so I need to exchange it. 5, 10 for 10 of those. Okay, so there's 10. 10 divided by 5 means 10 split into 5 equal groups. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then go back and fill in each one. And now how many do I have in each group? I have 2 in each group. So 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Or I could do that using the array. So 10 divided by 5 is 10 is split into 5 rows. They're always fun to try to get straight. There you go. So 10 divided by 5 is 2 in each row. So as we then move on up to, let's say I have 72 divided by 4. So we represent our 72. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 72. So 72 divided by 4 means I want to split that into 4 equal groups. Okay, well, I can say there's the beginnings of it. But then when I come back, so I've got one of those in each group, but then when I get ready to do this, I only have 3 left. With only 3 left, I can't put one in each group like that. So I have to make an exchange. So 10, 20, 30. So I need to exchange those. So 2, 4, 6. There's 10. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 20. And 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Plus the original 2, right? Because we had 72. So 10, 20, 32, which is what we exchanged it for. So now with this 32, we begin to separate them so that we have one in each group every time, because division is all about separating into equal size groups. So now that we've got them separated into equal size groups, we can go back and count. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 72 divided by 4 equals 18. So 72 split into 4 equal groups. So that's one way I could look at it. The other way that I could look at it would be to kind of look at it like we did our area model when we did our multiplication. So I'm going to begin to look at it that way. So when we have 72 divided by 4, and we already know the answer is 18, but so our dividend is 72, our divisor is 4. So we have 72, and I've already made the exchange, and I'm going to need to make the exchange for this one too. So I'm just going to leave that as my 72. So remember when we did it with multiplication, we did our 2 factors down. Well, with division, we start with the dividend and 1 factor. Well, our 1 factor here is 4. So I'm going to build my divisor here of 4. So now what we have to do is take, I like it to be straight, take our 72, and remember that our area models have to make a rectangle. They have to be that array shape. So we have these 4 that we have here, so we're going to just go ahead and turn them right there. 10, 20, 30, 40. And we've already, exchanged this. So we begin to build them here. 4 there. Four more. And remember, it has to keep the rectangle, which is why I'm going down and fill it in a row at a time here. This is our divisor of 4 up here. We know our dividend is 72. So I have to make sure all 72 of these fit equally into my 4 rows. Okay, and one more group of 4 here. So this is 72 divided by 4, and then we simply figure out our answer here by counting this side up. So we've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So if we put 18 there, just like we did with our multiplication, we would see the factors. So this is 72 divided by 4 equals 18. Dividend, divisor, quotient. Okay, so I'm going to do one more. Let's take it the next step up. So let's say we wanted to go to an even bigger problem. So 288 divided by 24. So I'm going to start. There's 200. 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there's 288. Okay, so that's our dividend. And then our divisor is 24. So I'm going to slide these over here. So we're going to build down this way. 20. 4. So this is our divisor going down this way. And we want to take our 288 and divide it up evenly here. Okay? So we can go ahead and put those there. That works nicely. But then this way I can't fit another, well, I don't have another 100 anyhow, so I'm going to take these 4 and lay them that way. They will fit that way. Now, so that's 100, that's 200, 10, 20, 30, 40. That's 240, but we started with 288, right? So I still have another 48 over here that I need to get here. So we're going to turn them this way. Remember, I want to make it a rectangle, so I'm going to turn them this way and then there's 4 there. And then bam, bam, and then the other 4. So 288 divided by 24 is, go across the top here, I'll pull it down a little bit, across the top, 10, 11, 12. 10, 11, 12. 288 divided by 24 equals 12.